Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I want to share about top 5 e-commerce web design firms in the world. So let's check out. It's updated it last April 1, 2022. So let me check. So number one is Rukus Marketing. Rukus Marketing website name rukusmarketing.com. Location New York. Hourly rate US dollar. Rating 98%. Employees 10 থেকে 10 or থেকে 50 10 of the 50. Number two, Big Drop Inns. Big Drop Inns website name bigdropinns.com. Location New York. Rate 98%, 50 to 20 250 employees rate. And number three is Forex e-commerce. Forexcommerce.com website name, and it is a New York City. Location New York City. Rating or share rating 95%, and 50 to 250 employees. And number five, spinxdigital.com website name spinxdigital.com. So Los Angeles, location Los Angeles is $95%, and employees 10 to 50. Then websites are no longer simply tools to pass information to your visitors. The websites are no longer only used to inform, educate, or even market. Rather, websites have grown on increasingly advanced. It is now possible to turn your website into a vehicle of commerce in and of itself. This